In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up an employee handbook on Gusto. Whether you're new to Gusto or just looking to streamline your employee onboarding process, this simple guide will make it a breeze. Setting up an employee handbook is a crucial step in establishing clear communication and expectations with your team. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to gusto.com. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is the central hub for managing all your payroll and HR needs. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll see a navigation menu. Look for the option labeled People and click on it. This section is where you can access and manage all your employee information. It's a great tool for keeping everything organized. Once you're in the People section, you'll see a list of your employees. Select the employee for whom you want to set up the handbook. Clicking on their name will open up their profile, where you can manage various aspects of their employment. Now, focus on the top of this employee's profile page. You'll see several tabs. Click on the one that says Documents. This tab is where you can manage all documentation related to the employee, from contracts to handbooks. It's an efficient way to ensure that all necessary documentation is both accessible and up to date. In the Documents section, look for a button that says Add Document and click on it. This action will prompt a new window to open, allowing you to upload files and input relevant details. In the window that appears, you'll need to enter the name of the document. Type in Employee Handbook to clearly identify the file. Naming your documents appropriately is critical, as it helps in maintaining an organized system and makes it easier to locate files when needed. Next, you'll want to upload the actual handbook file. Click on the Upload File button and browse your computer to find the handbook document you've prepared. Once located, select the file to upload it to Gusto. Make sure that the document is in a widely accessible format, such as PDF, to ensure that it can be easily viewed by all employees. Finally, after you've uploaded the file, review everything to make sure all details are correct. If everything looks good, click Save. This will finalize the process and add the employee handbook to the selected employee's documents. Your employees will now have access to the handbook, which they can refer to whenever necessary. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an employee handbook on Gusto. This straightforward process not only helps in keeping your business organized, but also empowers your employees by providing them with the resources they need. By centralizing employee documents on a platform like Gusto, you're not only simplifying your administrative tasks, but also fostering a transparent and informed workplace environment. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on making the most of your HR and payroll systems. Remember, a well-informed team is a more effective team. Until next time, take care and happy organizing.